Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, students. We are all welcome back to today's lesson. But our topic of today is Roman system as you are seeing it on this board, meaning that we shall discuss on this Roman system. Okay, let me explain Roman system a little bit. Roman system is one of the method of counting, though in Roman system most of the numbers in Roman system, in fact, not even most, all the numbers in Roman system, they are in form of letters like I, like V, like C, like D, like letter M. So I think before we start, let me just explain little things, please. Little things. Thank you very much. Okay. In Roman system, I is 1. This letter I means 1. Then V means 5. V means 5. Then X means 10. X means 10. Then L means 50. Letter C means 100. Then letter D means 500. Then M is nothing but 1000. Okay, in this Roman system, these numbers 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, and 1000, they are having their own special letters. Other numbers cannot be written without one of these special letters. I think, let me not waste our time much. Let me start it direct, maybe from number 1 up to this 1000. But I may not write all the numbers. Thank you very much also. Okay, as we said earlier, 1 or I stands for 1. That is 1 is I. Then 2, it is I. 3, it is I. And 4 is IV. Then 5, it is V, as it has been shown before. And 6, it is VI. Before I proceed, if you can take a look at 4 and 6, you will find out that they are similar. One is IV and one is VI. So I think I need to explain something here. VIIV. To avoid confusion, if you see VI or IV, the first thing to look at here is between V and I, which one is bigger? As you are seeing, this V means 5, then this I means 1. So, since here it is 5 and 1 in VI and IV, they are 5 and 1. Let me write them 5, 1, 5, 1. In this one, 5 comes first, then 1. And 5 is bigger than this one. So, if the bigger comes first and the smaller comes second, then it is addition. Let me repeat. I said if the bigger number comes first, the second comes second, then we just add them. Remember we said V is 5, I is 1. Likewise, this one it is 5 and 1 also, combination of 5 and 1. But in this case, since 1 is the smallest number here, and this is bigger, then we subtract. So now what should be the answer of 5 plus 1? 5 plus 1 is 6. Then this IV, it is 5 minus 1, which is 4. So that is why IV and VI, one of them it is 5. Sorry, one of them it is 6, that is VI, and the other one IV, it is 4. As you are seeing it here, 4 it is IV and 6 it is VI. Okay, let us continue please. Now 7, it is VII. That is 5 and 2, or 5 plus 2. Then 8, it is VIII. Then 9, it is, or before I write the 9, let me have 10 first. 10 and 11. Because 10, it is X. Now, how can we write 9 and 11 now? Because 9 and 11, it is either 10 plus 1 or 10 minus 1. Now, let me write IXXI. One of these Roman, one of them it is 9 and the other one it is 11. Remember in the explanation that I made in IV and VI, I said if the bigger number comes first and then the smaller comes second, then it is plus. It is plus. This one, the smaller comes first, then the bigger one. So this one, it is minus now. But remember, this is I and X, that is 1 and 10, or 10 and 1. 10, 1, 10, 1. But in this one, since the smaller number comes first, then it is minus. This one, the bigger one comes first, then it has to be plus. And now the answer to this 1, 10 minus 1, it is 9. And then this one, it is 10 plus 1, which is 11. So this means 9 is IX. IX. Then 10, it is X. Then 11 now should be what? 11 now it is XI. XI. So if 11 is XI, what should be 12 in this case? 12 will be XII. XII. In this case, 13 will be XIII. Just like 13, it is just like 10 and 3. 10 plus 3. 10 is X. 3 it is III. So if we match them, it will give XIII. So let me not waste the time. 13 it is XIII. 14 will be XIV. 15 will be XV. Let me write 19, 20, 21. 20. If 10 is X, then 20 should be double X, which is XX. XX. So in this case, 19 should be what now? 19 is just like 10 plus 9. That is 10 is X, 9 it is IX. So it is XIX. Then this 21 should be XXI, because 20 it is XX. So 21 should be XXI. Likewise 22, 23 and the rest. Let me just directly go to 30.